gbogbo igi tó ń wò mí wàhálà ti wá dé sọ́run Bukky Jesse báyìí o wàhálà ti dé sọ́run Bukky Jesse báyìí o kí ni Bukky Jesse ṣe tó wá tó báyìí torí Ọlọ́run gbogbo alámọ̀ pé Bukky Jesse try nínú justice for Mohbad yìí àbọ̀ tí báwọn èèyàn ṣe wá ń fún jẹ gbàgbó sí i ó ti wá pọ̀ ju gbogbo igi tó ń wò mí ó ti pọ̀ ju kí ni Bukky Jesse ṣe tó wá tó yìí wọ́n ti wá mú Bukky Jesse ní onírọ́ kò sí nǹkan tí wọ́n wá sọ èké sí ẹ̀ tán Ọlọ́run gbogbo igi tó ń wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ wo bí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ analysis woman yìí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ bí woman yìí bó ṣe fún Bukky Jesse jẹ left and right front and center ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo igi tó ń wò mí ẹ ò ní rí ohun pé sọnù bí ó ṣe bí ọmọ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ṣé ẹ rọwọ́ tẹ́ ẹ fi ń bá mi share fídíò yẹn mo ń gbàládùra fún yín sẹ́ẹ̀ àní ẹ ò ní fi sin òkú ọmọ lágbára Èdùmàrè owó lẹ máa fi kà lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ wá gbọ́ bí woman yìí bó ṣe ń fún Bukky Jesse jẹ left and right ẹ wá gbọ́. Ó ga ọ. Bàbá Mohbad ní kẹ́ ẹ bú àwọn ẹ bú bàbá Mohbad Bukky Jesse lẹ́ ń bú Bukky Jesse lẹ́ ń bú. Àbú o. Bukky Jesse. This is Maradona. Gbogbo kéde ní 100 million. It's a fake.
Joseph Aloba, the Grandmaster Maradona, Bukky Jesse, only man they create ohun tí ò rí. Also continue, only Elomi a máa sọ, Elomi a máa sọ evidence tí ò rí. And he won't call it, and they read that from a book. Bukky Jesse, you see, he said only Elomi a máa sọ evidence tí ò rí. Torí mo tún ti jẹ́ ẹni rọ́bà yìí. I hope your supporters are listening. I hope you are listening to what Joseph Aloba, you can hear it talking. Okay, nothing. Cheers, Sarah. Love you, Kuma. Roti, only my very good friend back in the days, After justice. Come out of your
Can you imagine? Let me know about that.
Because I needed to use some words directly from Aloba. I was writing. Only Oshi ló ń ṣe yẹ o. Ó tún repeated. Oshi ló ń ṣe. Má sọ nǹkan tí ò rí. I am quoting Grandmaster Maradona. Bukky Jesse fomi lò. Penko nílé tí wọ́n ti Penko láyé ọjọ́ yẹn. Fomi lò. Ìwọ ló ní sọ́ọ̀bù yẹn kò sẹ́lómi tó ní. Because ó mọ̀ wípé òun pa pẹ́ irọ́. Ọba irọ́ ó ní tí a bá máa gba lọ́ọ̀yà míì àsọyé gbọ́dọ̀ wà. Ó sọ fún yín pé ẹ̀kọ́ lè yí póòsì lọ́ọ̀yà lórí òun the same way you told Supreme and Suzy tí gbogbo yín ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ gbà yẹn is the same thing he's telling you now you can't impose any lawyer on me how market. Ẹgbà tí wọ́n fi na ìyálé the same ẹgbà.
Ó wà lè ká ìjà fún yàwó.
And the floor will not block us now on an open air. Check it to Kafoyi. Joseph Aloba, the Grandmaster Maradona. You know what he said? Only tí a bá gbàgbà lọ́ọ̀yà mi àsọyé máa wà. He said it. Ìyẹn ni wípé we go sit down talk am. You cannot just tell me take this lawyer. The same way he turned down the lawyer suggestions from Supreme and Suzy and you were all clapping. We reject Supreme lawyer. We reject Supreme lawyer. Our market. Aloba has rejected your own lawyer. That one is even worse. Right coin. Ma, good morning, my sister. Because I know you are really feeling right there and it's very interesting. Can I just say something? I'm sorry I have to cut you short. Baba, just from the beginning. You understand? He knows he doesn't want justice. Everybody don't want to for me. We understand. Some of them they went too far away. They went too far. However, justice. You understand? And the book is not too much, but as I want critical thinkers, everybody, with the exception of our woman, can you say that now you grow our justice? We went far away. Psychological. Mental health, you get together. Everybody, I'm telling you, you're going everybody, and I want you to know. Yes, I'm about to share what I'm doing, because I'm about to right track, but you're about not knowing Latin Berry, what you might be at a cup of it. She understand. Koda, okay, sister, but my body I'm telling you. He can cause anybody the way you want it to. But the Baba he can Ati Baba, Ati Moyiwa, Ati Korekore, Ati Sani, Ati Mosani, Ati Adia, which grace, to one on Tawa, and many more. It's a lot, okay? The number goes on. But I want to try to get the photo of the problem. Koda now, I don't want to go on and everything. I don't want everybody know. If I don't know, don't say show. Tí wọ́n tó ní wọ́n lè establish page ara ẹ̀ náà nìyẹn àwọn family mọ̀ pa wọn àwọn Aloba family mọ̀ pa wọn fẹ́ justice now wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan tó fẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́. Suffering from drug. Tí wọ́n parọ́ fún bàbá tó ní ọmọ àbẹ̀tẹ̀ tí ò ní ọmọdé ni tí wọ́n bá gbé bí fún aláàrẹ̀ àbọ̀lẹ̀ ẹjọ́ yìí tẹ́gbọ́n Yorùbá jù wà lọ. Ṣé kò tí mo sọ yín mà ẹ má bẹ̀rẹ̀ sísítà mi máa continue ọ̀rọ̀ yín. Yẹ́n sọ pé gbogbo tó bọ̀ ẹ̀yọ́ wà ókè ìjà ìfẹ́ náà ni gbogbo wọn jà. Ìjà pé káwọn ẹbí ilé gba justice àwọn ọmọ mi kò lè ní excuse nínú gbogbo tó wà lẹ́yìn o àwọn tó wà nílé wà bẹ tó pa ọmọ tọmọ fi sáré lọ sí. Àbẹ́sẹ̀ kan ló fi lọ ní tí bàbá lọ́ba dẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ tọrọ imú rọ̀ gọ̀dọ̀ síbẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbé imú bí imú tírénì.
Imú rọ̀ gọ̀dọ̀. dandan.
Wọ́n máa sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ òṣì jáde lẹ́nu lánàá pé táwọn Yorùbá fẹ́ gbé nǹkan kan lọ sílé wọn ọ̀dọ́ bí wọn. Is it for real? Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹjọ́ agbára bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀ ṣe ti lò fún àwọn tó pamọ́ ìtinú lé yín tí wọ́n pè yín ní ìdájí pé ẹ̀ka sára o. This baba is a nuisance. It's a nuisance. Ẹ ti rí owó tán.
Alọ́ba ìgbà nuisance.
Owó go from ìtọ́kọ jẹ́ ní ká sọ ní. Ṣọ́wọ́ yẹn ní ká sọ ní. Bàbá yẹn ẹ̀mí aláǹdájì mi o, àwọn bàbá yẹn lè mí nípò ní ẹbí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn wa wọ́n ní o. Because owó tí wọ́n dá àdásápò anybody àpò wọn náà àwọn alákòófà tí wọ́n ìwọ olórí púpọ̀ tó ṣe yín bí eyín ọkọ́. Àti Korean group. Ṣé o ní sáà? Sísá mi ẹjọ́ mà. Ìdíkẹ́ má sọ̀rọ̀ you have the right to say what you are saying because ọ̀pọ̀ yóò yẹn náà lè ṣe ìdílé wa. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tí ìjọba ń fa comment bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ẹ máa ní àyíṣà. Torí wọ́n á ṣe é ṣe She said, time to go home, Susie, that is the meaning. Time home, Atiba, I was there, Mowambe. Because of this, why are your gullible followers doing the opposite? You said you don't intend to make this a cult. You don't intend to join the cohort of those who see the truth and cannot speak the truth and several things in that direction, which favors we on this side of the river. And I'm beginning to ask myself, if Okijese, their godmother, happens to have this kind of principles, her principles deviate from the principles of her followers. So where's the problem? And that tells me one thing, okay, you are a hypocrite. What you say is not what you do. You created the same cult you claim not to belong to. You create the same gaslighting system you claim not to belong to. How market? Everything you said beautiful in that day, in the early part, almost 30 minutes, you were trying to educate your followers, telling them the kind of person you are. Unfortunately, you played the exact opposite. So now I'm going to address you, Boki, and your followers. How market? I was speaking to a friend of mine on the Green Out on the recent developments, and I said, guy, truth be told between me and you, the only two people who deserve to take credit, in fact, three people who deserve to take credit for pointing out who Baba Mohbad is from the onset. I said it's Papariano, Supreme Iron Lady, and Susie. I told this person on the Green Out, I said anybody who can say I'm not kidding. When I talk, I don't kid. We had this conversation. If I was in this guy, it was one that called me around 7:20. In the midst of our discussion, I said, guys, slow down. Do you know there are only just three people who can take credit for saying, I told you so? But that people sorrow. With any matter, they are the only two that can say, we told you. Now, don't listen, you abuse us, you nailed us to the cross. I said, do you want me to mention their names? With all sincerity, I said, Papariano, Supreme Iron Lady, and Susie. I said, every other host coming in, saying she be a Sofoyi, I said, they are just coming in midway. These three people took bullets, nailed them to the cross. The guy, he didn't argue because it's a fact. These people saw ahead. It's a fact. They are the only ones who can say, this Grand Master Maradona, we told you. You know, remember your December 2023 live stream when you painted the real, Joseph Aloba, you painted the real family you are, but within 24 hours, go to Beijing. You are a coward and you are a hypocrite. You knew all along that we were in murky waters and you enjoyed the ride. You knew we were on a deceptive ride. So everything you said from the onset, I'm going to give my for you, check by me, Opa, Benino, you're wrong. Opa, Benino, you're wrong. You don't mean when I said debunk. Here you don't forward where I told so you can stand with the were different. Here I said, Sonny, your videos are going ahead of you now. Your word is speaking back to haunt you. How will you feel if you hear what Papariano is playing today? How will you feel? Come and face it, or don't you say? Gaslight rich grace, you see. Who gave rich grace power of attorney? Should be one on an open live stream. Because you knew that there was no PA. It was just POA of word of mouth. When Bata is here, more, it's more POA. You don't even know what it is to hold a power of attorney. If I be Anthony, Mama, when I say Anthony, you don't even know what you're talking about because there is no documents. There is no documents. Tabayoke presents the power of attorney. Give family you want Papariano, they'll be searching in the sky. Nothing exists. Ricky, nothing exists. They don't even know the Bible. They don't even know the word. They don't even know what it is. Honorable Spartan Consequent, please, Emma Binu, from the moment we asked Baba that year, let us see the letter of engagement from your lawyer. Because it does a rough one. Because you can the will now be our power of attorney, and everybody concur with it. One for the gift, you want that gift on that kind of blogger. She get Lego. Now they don't give Rich Grace rifle, all sort of rifles, not for woman. Now that woman is conveniently and gently sobbing Bukky, shading her. I will not leave this justice. Can you imagine now around town Bukky that has used all her life to fight for us? The only thing, God forgive me for this, I want to say, the only thing I've seen Bukky done on this justice is she has successfully fragilized this old justice. Reason why you will see them going in the divisions, and you can't be studying Bukky. Who are you? The people that are supposed to be speaking the truth, living a free life, but because they have to support somebody, they have no choice than to hide their truth. Look at the way they were trying to mock Lady Aries that year. Our new Iron Lady is Bukky Jesse. Emma Bilujari, God bless you. Don't worry. You go find out about it. Everybody's angry. I feel you, brother. Anybody wants to see, we can talk for 2-3 hours. All of us right here. Then it change because he be there by Bukky Jesse, you always say, you always say it. When you said Adeleke sent nude to Baba, ṣé òótọ́ ni?
Ǹgbọ́.
Ṣé òótọ́ ni?
Ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o.
Adeleke sent nude to Joseph Aloba, ṣé òótọ́ ni? Question àbí ẹ̀ o, torí o máa sọ wípé o kì í parọ́. Ṣé òótọ́ ni? Ṣé o mú evidence ẹ jáde? But I'm happy that today the words you have spoken are coming back to haunt you. You now want to separate yourself from the mess you created? It's not possible. Listen to the first 30 minutes tutorials you were giving your followers, not to create a cult-like system, to see the truth and to say it. You were going to jail Olori one, you cannot even say the truth when you see it. Saying the truth was so tough. You knew correcting was up to no good. You couldn't say anything. You knew family one is not even related to Joseph Aloba. You knew all this. You never said anything. You never said anything. Correct it. But the full movement, all down on the other side, you covered him up. Bukky Jesse. And you are still covering correct it till tomorrow. You knew family one is not good. So how do you rate your performance? How do you rate yourself, Bukky? Because àwọn ajá wọ́n ṣe ké kiri nínú igbó, wọ́n jẹ́ ká sùn, wọ́n gbóni, wọ́n ṣe gbódì sí. Because they turn you to Almighty. They turn you to Almighty Bukky Jesse tí wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀ sí. Who are you? Ìwọ tó lè fìdí ìbò kan wà á máa bó sáà, wà á máa bó barista. Tọ́ba ní kò spell orúkọ ẹ̀ gan, you can't even spell your name. You can't even spell your name. Look at the mess you have created. All the principles you were stating at the start of the video Paparano was playing, it was like, really? You actually stand for all this? Hell no. You stand for no shit. One of those you crying? On the live stream, your own is even worse, and your guns, you can't take your own medicine. For me, alone now. Only sound of Shisha, what would the nation? Alpha, the same mouth. You didn't only say sound of Shisha, or to share post for sound. If you talk Canada, you are a hypocrite with a capital H. The money for studying hypocrisy, you are the exact opposite of what you say you stand for. You are the exact opposite of what you say you stand for. Talk about Supreme, sorry scale. Supreme, I know it back. Talk about Supreme Iron Lady. Talk about your corrugated Iron Lady. Talk about your sorry scale. While lie, Supreme, I know it back. You will let the Supreme. But you know how many times you have chastised, insulted, blocked Supreme and your dogs. Talk about Pagobo, you for Yaja, obìnrin sóbìnrin ni mo sọ ọ́, mi ti sọ ti Papa Nelo tó ń bọ̀ àtàwọn yòókù o. Ká ṣe lóbìnrin tóbìnrin, woman to woman. They no born you well, make you stand where Supreme dey. Oh, legacy. Supreme's contribution in this movement, your generation no go fit contribute am. Okay, Jesse, you will not know. I'm just citing Bukky, I'm just citing Supreme. There are other women who have done far better than what you have done. What you have only come to do is what they call rabble-rousing. Ariwo lẹ́nu vendor. How market, Bukky Jesse? You are their godmother. I know your dogs are either here with the fake account or on the window or they are streaming so that they can know that you stand for nothing. I saw how they were crying when Baba was talking yesterday. I was there. I was streaming. I was reading their comments. I was jotting some at some points. Toy Baby Raby wrote, Ileya, Modoya Kotilale Tipe. You are too late. You forgot the come home since. You stand for nothing, Bukky. But look at it. If you had done the truth from the one, Soro, Gira, Iboloba Ide. You said me, Yinka, and Chairman, we did 3 songs. Bring evidence. Manchester Police called you, provide your evidence. Your DBS tomorrow, you have a criminal infraction on your DBS. Tell your followers now, if it's sure for you. Or what you said against Crunchway, that the police, Greater Manchester Police, asked you. I insisted. Tell her to produce the evidence. I insisted. I still have their email on how they dealt with your case. Tell your followers that your DBS has a criminal infraction based on what you said about me, Yinka, and Chairman on July 10, 2024. When we tell you school is not a scam, we went to school because of people like you. Fee and dogs like you in the same level. We will use legality of the law to put you in line. The same Paparano you guys have been insulting from day one. If I call him a prophet, it's not too much. Everything is said that I experience it right now. I'll mark it. For everyone who has been saying the truth, who said it at blog. Shall we confuse your mouthpiece? Is your hatchet, is your right hand hatchet on TikTok and Facebook? Pressing people's legs with animals and whatever depiction that suits our crazy brain. Coffee, Elepe of Mountain of Fire. How market? You are still crying. But we send buckets without catching your way. Don't worry. How market? All of you should be ashamed. All you pro-Baba supporters on TikTok and Facebook, TikTok in particular, I mean, you should be ashamed right now. All of you. All you dumb asses that call yourself critical. You are not even bold enough to put out your real names. You are putting your new Antosi, your buy your billion. Is that your name? You are not even bold enough to put your name to the world. But yes, we are the one thinking critically because you know what? You guys think nothing. Kò sí kankan tó wà lórí yín. Ṣé iye tàbí àwọn fún kó sanwó school ní Scotland? Ìbò ló wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Tó sábò wà lẹ́yìn. Ìgbà tó wọ school ẹ̀ ò pé ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ Perry lára ẹ̀. Perry had to be calling us one after the other. Ó ṣe kò ṣe £100 mi. Ó pẹ̀lú ara school fees ẹ̀. Is in the history of your life. forever critical dummy. So tó bá bú mi níbi tó wà yẹn 100 pounds mi tó wọ square fi pé we come against you. Kò fún mi lò ó. If you come for Baba, I come for you. Yes, I also said it. But at some point I said, Coach, please slow down. Slow down. Don't be a job follower. And by July 2024, after that Abuja fracas, I did a 360 degrees. I said, no, this man is not looking for justice. Any justice seeker will not act this way. You came for all of us. You came for all of us, your daddy. Anytime we make any submission, Wanitori WhatsApp group, all this party, they are paid. Your daddy Alpha. Look at your shame on the streets of TikTok. Sometimes when I see your screen to bash your camera, you look so dirty. And they call you a host. Your appearance looks so dirty. Next time, please don't show your camera. Just off your screen. There's nothing to see on your face. Anytime Andy talks, when they don't want this man the group, anytime Chairman talks, when we are paid, Alpha, check your new group. You castigated all the groups here while you had group inside group inside group. Now your shame is out there. It's so glaring because you guys stood for nothing. Anybody saying Baba should do the right thing about anti-justice, if I ask you, what is the definition of anti-justice? You don't even know. All of your critical dummies on that list. If I ask you, give me I have Baba Yano saying, maybe there is a gift to those who are being called justice and anti-justice and until has evidence. Brother, was it gift or anyone? For Rich Grace to open a stinking mouth calling us anti-justice, yeah? I don't even know. I don't Figotile. No, we're not giving you the Figotile. Stalaga, Mama. I'm not tutu.
Figotile, Stalaga.
Bukky Jesse ò lè ṣe. So Bukky Jesse's followers wake up and smell the coffee. Your Bukky Jesse contributed to the mess you find yourself. Ọjọ́ ní gbogbo ìpètè iṣẹ́ yẹn, ìpè yẹn ti padà sórí yín, ó ti padà sórí Bukky Jesse. Ọba yìí tẹ́ ti ṣépè, tẹ́ ti pè wá ní anti-justice. Ìpètè ti ṣe yẹn, ẹ má gbàgbé pé ṣe ṣépè gan. All those curses have returned to you and Bukky Jesse because as I yesterday, you see the grand Maradona who draw line in. This is the second time Jose is giving you guys 2-0. Kerosi. The previous live stream and yesterday's one, technical knockout, TKO, ló fún yín. TKO ló fún yín. Technical knockout. I sat down and I said, which title suits Joseph Aloba? Àwọn àjọ̀nú gbé wá fún mi ní Grand Master Maradona. He played us. I'm a for me lónìí. Upon the small book where I say I read, yes, Joseph Aloba, carpenter, celebrity carpenter, I doff my hand for you. You played me. I doff, if person say master, go back, but yes, I say my oga. For Yahoo, you be boss. Obawa, how did be the level where you did? See, all of them comment and say, my for me lonely, Ogoanoba, Benny, if you like argue with your keyboard. Now you turn around to knockout, I am a sharing center, acupuncture. We go use her like that. You know there's commenters, panelists, yes. Obawa, if you contribute to GoFundMe, Obawa. If you contribute to Access Bank, Obawa. If you contribute to Wema Bank, Obawa. Because you know why? Jose did not give us accountability. So anyhow, when you want to see her, Obawa, don't come for me, Mama, don't come for Crunch Queen.
You see the Maradona. Aloba is a Maradona. Ọ̀rẹ́lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn wọ́n ní àlè torí àwíjàre kí tó tán lẹ́nu ẹ̀rẹ́ bọ́n ṣe ń fún Bukky Jesse jẹ left and right front and back wọ́n ní Joseph Aloba is a Maradona ó kàn Maradona everybody ó gbá gbogbo everybody ó dẹ̀ kówó jẹ́ ń tiẹ̀.